Hello everybody, I'm Prof. Bunny and welcome sa ating online classroom tutorial. Ang today's topic, we are going to discuss the second logic gate which is the 7400 IC or the NAND gates. Pero bago ang lahat, nais ko muna magpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga viewers, sa mga lahat nag-likes and shares, and shoutout ko yung mga student ng Systems Plus Computer College. So this content ginawa para dun sa mga na-miss yung ating topic or yung halimbawa at that time ay absent, meron tayong video na i-post dito sa ating Google Classroom, or yung somebody wants to review, pwede nilang tingnan at pwede nilang review kung ano yung nagiging topic. Okay? So, let's get started. So, dito guys, no, mag-open muna tayo ng ating Tinkercad. Right? So, create and click natin yung circuit. Okay. So, ngayon, magda-drop down tayo ng ating breadboard. So, actually, hindi naman kailangan nyo ng breadboard. No? Pwede namang wala. Pwede gamitin. Breadboard, small lang. Okay. So, i-discuss natin yung NAND gates. No? Yung truth table ng NAND gates, yung ibig sabihin meron siyang 2 input. No? Yung input A and the input B. Then, yung pin number 3 is the output. So, ibig sabihin yan, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, or 1, 1. So, yung NAND gate is the digital logic gate. So, means not AND. So, ibig sabihin, it gives an output of 0 only when all input are 1. So, kapag lahat input ay 1, ay nagiging 0 yan. Pero, if at least one input is 0, the output will be 1. So, ibig sabihin, kapag 0, 1 and 1, 0, the output is 1. So, napaka-importante guys, itong tinatawag natin na NAND gates, dahil ito isa siyang universal gates na meaning it can be used to create the another logic gate. Okay, so let's start with our circuit. So, magda-drop down tayo ng ating slide switch. Okay, so slide switch. So, kailangan natin ng dalawang slide switch. Okay, so ito yung ito yung kapag nag-provide tayo ng power dun sa ating NAND gates, gagamitin natin itong ating slide switch. And next, kailangan natin ng 7400, which is the NAND gate. Okay, then drop down tayo na ating LED para ma-recognize natin kung working ba yung ating circuit. So, we're going to reverse. So, si LED, meron tayong dalawang terminal, no? Yung cathode, which is the negative, connected sa negative. And yung anode, ito yung magiging connected do sa ating output. Okay, yung 7400 guys, meron tayong dalawang input. Yung 1 and 2, which is input A and the input B. And yung third pin, ito yung ating output. Right. So, kailangan pala natin ng battery, ating source. Halimbawa, battery. Okay, so lalagyan natin siya dyan. Ito yung positive. Okay, connected natin dito sa positive ng ating breadboard. Positive. Double click. Then yung negative sa negative. Okay. So, dito guys, mag-create tayo ng connection, no, from top part ng ating breadboard. Okay, so connect tayo dito guys sa ilalim, which is the positive. So, yung purpose nito, kapag halimbawa, time na kailangan natin ng positive, nandito yung ating connection sa ibaba, hindi na natin kailangan pa pumunta dun sa upper part ng ating breadboard. Kasi, itong positive, connected na rin dito sa ilalim ng positive. Okay, then we have the negative, connected sa negative. So, lalo natin gawin, color-coded, yung negative, which is the black. Then, yung positive, represent the red color. Ito yung positive. Ito naman yung negative. Okay, negative. Right, so kompleto na siya, di ba? Ngayon, mag-create tayo ng connection. Itong slide switch, meron siyang tatlong terminal. Ito yung common one, ang terminal 1, which is connected dun sa positive. Okay, yung common 2, common 1, positive. Yung terminal 2, connected dyan sa negative. Right, that is negative. Then, itong common, ito yung ating input. No? So, punta tayo sa input A, which is the pin number 1. Ito yung input A. Ito yung next, yung input B. Then yung pin number 3, connected siya dun sa ating LED, ano? Okay. So, delete muna siya. Connected siya sa ating LED. Right. So, which is the anode. Okay. Dito yung cathode. So, directly connected na to sa ating negative. Right. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yung number 7, which is the ground. So, siyempre, pag sinabi natin ground, this is negative. And yung number 14, the power. So, pupunta tayo sa positive. Okay, so let's start with the simulation. Start simulation. Okay, gaya natin kanina, pag sinabi natin 0, 0, the output is 1. So, kahit isang 0 lang na combination, magiging output din is 1. Then, pag halimbawa 1 o kaya 0, 1, the output is also 1. And 1, 0, the output is also 1. Pero kapag lahat, no, yung input natin is 1 and 1, that is the time na yung magiging output natin is 0. Kaya sabi natin kanina, if one input is 0, the output is 1. So, kailan na siya magiging 1? Kapag yung input natin is 1. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple yung ating explanation dito sa ating NAND gate, which is the 7400. So, next time, i-discuss natin yung ating third logic gates, no? And gagamitin natin yung tinatawag natin na combination, no? Combination ng AND gates, the OR gates, the XOR, and the NOR gates. Then, saka natin kukunin yung kanyang mga truth table. Okay? So, that's all guys, and thank you for watching. See you on my next tutorial. Okay? So, tingnan muna natin kung ilang minutes. So, still we have 8 minutes. Pero, that's all.